Have you ever wondered just how crucial water conservation is in maintaining your lush green garden? It's not just about keeping your plants thriving, it's about fostering a healthier environment, saving valuable resources, and even reducing your water bill. Water conservation in gardening is a beautifully harmonious blend of environmental stewardship and practicality. So how do we achieve this balance? Today, we're going to share some practical tips on how you can conserve water in your garden without compromising its beauty and health. Let's dive into the steps you can take to make a difference in your garden. Our first tip is to utilize drip irrigation. This method directs water straight to the root zone, drastically reducing water waste. Another fantastic strategy is collecting rainwater. It's a free and sustainable option, and your plants will love it. Next, let's talk about timing. Watering your garden during the cooler parts of the day, like early morning or late evening, reduces evaporation, enabling your plants to absorb more. Now, onto mulching. Spreading mulch around your plants not only suppresses weeds but also helps retain moisture in the soil, cutting down on the need for frequent watering. Lastly, consider selecting drought-tolerant plants. They're designed to thrive in dry conditions, making them a water-wise choice for your garden. These tips not only help conserve water, but also make your garden more resilient and less dependent on frequent watering. Now that you're equipped with these water-saving tips, it's time to implement them in your garden. Imagine the difference you can make by incorporating these simple changes. Your garden will flourish, your water bill will shrink, and you'll be contributing to a healthier planet. Every small step we take towards water conservation can have a big impact. Remember, every drop counts. So start making a difference in your garden today. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.